Ebusianfo aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will Ebusianfo asem kra de enye serembo. Asere semo ba opeso sere kra no, uju anwo ti ase. Enti Ghana, ebe ye ni. Oman ebe ye ni. Nyame mboae say na oman we na ye a certain direction so, and on that direction our economy was recognized. Even IMF for any World Bank for Kubeka say na Ghana for there our economy is recovering quicker than they had projected, because ASR levels are IMF new World Bank for SRT for the various countries to recover from COVID and then Russia Ukraine. No. Now Ghana recovery na faster than even India there. Our recovery was faster than that of South Africa. South Africa also Soweto. And now international communities in now Ghana be yes our prime destination. And I kwa ba Mahama. Any ni cronies. Ebusianfo ena Ayɛka no school dying, government school dying. Nsuo toy roof no ye. And I say aban embe boa mu. Aban ko boa mu wi a. MC and that's a DCE was up mantem honum no. Akwa painti school dying no with NDC colors. DCE no. Odi aban sika. Ako painti. I renovation ma public institution no. Odi sika. Ako top paint. NDC colors. They are painted dining now. School ni now. Waste of money is because on him says denya dia ye peneso. And say em peneso then ebe see. You have to go and buy a new set of paint and come and repaint the place. Now wine sika. Sa esa and wine sika. Ebra emra wo ho. Emra wo man we my state say. For basic schools no. Esa yen paint your blue and white. Approved by Parliament. Parliament ejitumo. Say the way containing nkatienkwan uniform no. Same uniform any building painting enye. And blue and white are more creative. And your mining najitum say they're moving forward no. Let's paint our basic schools like that. No. This year we dey funny ako painting NDC colors. So on who school now as a NDC 4-party office. Red, green, black. NDC 4 colors. We say DCE. DCE. Let's go and listen to Lawson TV4. Omunobeka same way. I'm an ayode. But before then, I for your studio no. But you mumbo why now about never screen I say. Kito bien so. Eda munina assassin I'm hearing debia. I will see in the next one. Don't go anywhere. An interesting conversation is happening. Cheers.
I want you to educate me.
Amachi Barry and school dying bako so pie. So okay, you do unkomo. Amachi Barry hine ni adia frame for crowd of unko mumwa, and I think assembly no akomu emwa akobwa na warufi dino assign ayebibia plaster wa painti. Back to Amachi Barry say the assembly needs to be to me aye no. Now the akofa wo yo any day yo ediaba any say. This is your own potemo. And a man was a woman tias so we no ko penti school danwa. Wako penti NDC colors.
Cyber beam. No, cyber beam.
Or penti school dino.
NDC colors.
Yes.
I'm motivated the reason here.
Minimo.
No, I'm still confused. Me say me turn on phone so. I'm for sending messages coming from opinion leaders and big man from that kind of enclave. I'm not just surprised, somehow disappointed. Not just surprised alone, It doesn't come to me as a mirage or something, but extremely surprised and disappointed. Over I was asking myself series of questions. Now, if you look at the intention, if the MC near assembly in honor is a good thing. Now, say school then be tuagu. Now, I say be so be partner can say be renovate. I'm a then I come out to my man. I can fine. Me boa baso. Baso for be bibia ye. Now, Ebia didn't change your good so much painted nine. Oh, fine.
Yes. Okadia Udika. Now, say bibia boko dear.
Oh, bibia boko, but and then I make kind bibia free way. So I'm not. Me pesa uchi me mo. Say na making kind bibia free. Me show laptop and so king. I've seen something. I want an education from it, a clearer picture about it. I want a certain kind of education about it. And where it is coming from opinion leaders and big men from a certain kind of enclave. So I story me kai so why pain. E maybe in so toya your honey papa mukrumu.
Barakese.
School dine bibu ya amaka so ombesi ni foforo no. I want you to educate me.
Amachi bare. And school dine bako so pie so okay ye di unkomo a amachi bare hene ni ade afre man for kwata won ko mumwa and I think assembly no akomo emwa akoboa na warufi dino assign aye bibia plaster no painti back to amachi bare say the assembly no so betumi aye no na de akofa wo yo any yo e de aba ene say DCE your own potemo. And a man was a woman tias, so we and walk up penti school danoa, walk up into NDC colors.
Cyber beam. No, cyber beam.
Or penti school dino.
NDC colors.
Yes.
I'm motivated the reason here.
Minimo.
No, I'm still confused. Me say me turn on phone so. I'm man for sending messages coming from opinion leaders and big man from that kind of enclave. I'm not just surprised, somehow disappointed. Not just surprised alone. It doesn't come to me as a mirage or something, but extremely surprised and disappointed. Over I was asking myself series of questions. Now, if you look at the intention, if the MC near assembly in honor is a good thing. Now say school then be tuagu. Now I say be so be partner can say be renovate. I'm a then I come out to my man. I can fine. Me boa baso. Baso for be bibia ye. Now Ebia didn't change your good so much painted nine come. Whereby school quality your bum is a good exercise. The plan was good, but the execution is poor. That is why I have a problem with it. Why do you paint it NDC? Yes, I don't get it. What can I say? A assembly. It is not coming from the coffers of the MC and a DCE, you know. A assembly mom na see school done.
A school done the refurbished school no. Dino any.
Why do you paint it party colors? I don't get it. Why do you paint it party colors?
The colors there the end of the day.
And you're red and green. And you're NDC colors I.
The black and
I'm still confused as I'm sitting here. Internet is Excellency John Dramani Mahama your project. No your project new year no a taxpayer sika. No as what the NDC colors are painting. Why but the money is not coming from the NDC? When they see the penamami.
Honorable Mba Zakaria. Achumang will be a Jam North DCE or where they charge kaka. And I no pay the air over the weekend. The month was send ya ba. But me just say entry. I mean, nka to me a jaisa kalara edi we.
What you say?
Fra. Nka de ye wie and I say yellow no and ye green grab your fat.
Afa say obi any problem.
Immediately you introduce anyway and now you're trying to read meanings into it. Until where the assembly let's say as a matter of urgency. Yenshani in Tusana mono. Said you be a bit me a boy in aye.
And offend this for this school.
Debbie,
what can I say assembly?
Nothing this was school cry. I mind it.
Medase. I know we catch them young. Say you won't take JFFO. Say they want to bring Krano whereby they were exposed to football money. Is it a deliberate attempt to tell the kids to join the NDC?
And this party be also to
I'm asking questions. I'm asking questions. Because
you can catch them young this week.
If it is even against the law of Ghana, these are minors. When we cry now, Constitution now, Article 28-29 talks about minor. Or patches are 18 years or no can't mean take decision for a man. So where from this? I don't understand it. You should come and explain the reason why. What's it there? We are painted dying. Now for any NDC colors. I don't get it. Extremely surprised, much disappointed.
Mami Misa Honorable Zakaria. Na yamvam free honmo. Honorable, good morning. Now what for me? Oh,
White. It was a directive coming from the central government of Ghana. No, see about the painting school down first. Now, I brown where you say they call white and blue. And the MC in the pastor terms on Nimda. Say school down here painting say painting blue and white on Nimda now. And it's only a painting way at the bicycle painting. Now, see a boss I can't na person say repainting now. Then he should bear the consequences. On no moment I saw a private account who coinska as a painting school no. And the what I'm not in yarding cry. So because I should be coming from the I totally disagree.
I know did you be
there's what
say omo akwakoye and Ghanaians and I say be more erase concern assembly look at omo rectifier I didn't say
ebia says can so no ebia nko penti yes commit my ade foforo e de aboa kuro no aboa assembly no
anyway penti we nya no
ho say
what penti
and don't was one said was your penti it so you wrong.
And I'm say wrong, no, so what? Assembly inside
due diligence, no one yet due diligence.
And why they were causing financial
loss? Causing financial loss to the assembly. Go on. Well, open Mr. the cost. Let's ask the cost of this paint. Painting, no, open Mr. the cost of this painting. Over this come about.
Where there's a gallows bear 10.
And to them, why I say, open say, over this come about. We should because it's coming from the assembly. It's not coming from a private. And to know, see if fear or see if you're painting, can I say? Offer me bisa or see fear on one private property or about painting this type of color. This is the kind of question that I'm asking. I didn't hear you.
Who say NDC colors?
What's I?
Or also to who say NDC colors?
Who crowd from a distance is able to identify the colors and bring out your objective opinion about it. What would you now I got to open this year painting. What you but what man say red, what man say green, what man say white, no, I was so one. The Okoto opinion was a colors, no, it depicts a political party color. Jesus Christ. Oh, my many say, I didn't tell for me be a person in politics. Mirahu, Papa, do you know what you are doing? They are, you know, a chance and crime. We want to even put them to a certain kind of limit. Why are we telling the case? And your NDC phone is school down in the mamo. We are talking about central government and why?
Of course. Emba. I wonder why more assembly no why idea say more refurbish school no me started me kind say we you hu here say afeni e betra kata say boy eba mba ye nyim free one na ye nkoye nim ye nyai painting we no ye nyai na we why adwuma come ba this time say ke bo wa ba so e afeni e betra ha be keka painting one sem na me dey yas nyama bi wo ho a nya isa
so say Ghana colors. So say Ghana colors. And I'm for black star into Queen. So I say Ghana colors. I say Ghana colors now. Oh,
black is a bomb. They say you.
And you don't for black. All for standing to you say Ghana colors.
Now what is this? All the black got too much. And
you see my worries. This is the offer to you. And now home. And my kind of say. Now they are saying that we are moving from some red, a brown and yellow. No. Now the education minister at that time. They be on a catch us up by a going concern. You come and inherit assets and liabilities. On the 26th of April 2024, they told Ghanaians that we are moving from that brown and yellow to a blue and white. And the MC no name that say basic schools you painted blue and white. Even Sanya Canada, I say colors no almost there, almost green and minimum the same Roman from say green khaki bi. Msana me name no. And I didn't one pack khaki color mama fam painting fam mom. Ajebu hanya say man ho kwa adwuma kama. People are applauding you, people are appreciating you, people are acknowledging you why you are there. But the final execution is bad. The final execution is bad. Too bad. And now they say everything is about politics. Now idea why you obi abo about what sit down come. Now look at the final one. What are people are saying about you? One kasa unkro no more, they are not happy. Many cases to where they are calling, sending messages, sending videos related to this kind of a Juma way. Timasreno. Where do one call the private account in Koyiska? No penti, a best you take Ghana education service. Now I am present beside
assembly and penti.
For that one, I totally disagree with you. I disagree with you. For that one, no fan, but I totally disagree. He should go into his private coffers, pick money, and pay. Ebia na the Ayɛka Sanko or painted blue and white. And I said you're painted a year and can come with them. Why Ayɛka education director so away? And to a
regional director.
Education director or constituency one a municipal be
a feel about to notice. So we can dinner the way.
Ayo, and education director may change was me tell you also because everyone say if ignorance of the law is even an excuse. And if the MC import himself say painted this kind of colors. One our education service. What is the roadmap? What are the things that they've told you about painting? I think Mahama just will come out. So MPP NDC for the beer issues,
Now with immediate effect. But before you have to judge, I almost say what can say. Burkina Faso, war tomato processing industries. I would do industry. Their factories are processing tomato. Now you more tomato. Emma factories, the tomato